the birth of the House of Wisdom, world's first mega-library and research center. As Baghdad blossomed into a radiant cultural center, a remarkable transformation unfolded. The desire to learn, understand, and preserve knowledge became the lifeblood of the Abbasid state. It began subtly, a scholar here, a translator there, but soon something far more ambitious took shape. Around the early 9th century, under the patronage of Caliph Harun al-Rashid, and, even more profoundly, his brilliant son Caliph Ameen, Baghdad witnessed the birth of an institution that would change the trajectory of global science forever. Beit-ul-Hikmah, the House of Wisdom. This was no ordinary library. It was the world's first mega-library, research university, translation institute, observatory, and scientific think tank combined. Ameen envisioned a place where the accumulated wisdom of humanity, Greek, Persian, Indian, Egyptian, Syriac, Chinese, pre-Islamic Arab, and even early European knowledge could be gathered under one roof, studied, debated, expanded, and used to push the boundaries of human understanding. In this sprawling intellectual sanctuary, thousands of texts were collected, copied, translated, and analyzed. Teams of scholars, Muslims, Christians, Jews, Sabians, and Zoroastrians worked side by side, united not by religion or ethnicity, but by their devotion to knowledge. Among them were towering figures such as Hanan ibn Ishaq, whose translations of Greek medical works would remain standard for centuries. Al-Khwarizmi, whose innovations in algebra, algorithms, and astronomical tables would shape mathematics across the world. Al-Kindak, the Arab world's first philosopher, and Tribiti bin Qora, whose work in geometry and physics laid foundations still taught today. They weren't merely preserving ancient knowledge. They were refining it, correcting it, expanding it, and innovating far beyond their predecessors. The House of Wisdom also housed observatories where scholars charted stars with unprecedented accuracy, recalculated the circumference of the Earth, developed new calendars, and revolutionized navigation. The atmosphere was electric. Debates echoed through its halls. Manuscripts filled its rooms, and discoveries flowed from its scholars like water from a fountain. Under Ameen's passionate sponsorship, scientific pursuits were not only encouraged but funded on a scale unseen in the medieval world. The House of Wisdom became the shining core of the Islamic Golden Age, a place where curiosity reigned supreme, and where the very definition of science was rewritten.